Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Smart Speaker SC-GA10 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not responding or if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, it's not pairing or syncing with your Bluetooth device, any issues like that where it's not working and you're trying to fix it can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to set it up new, maybe you're setting it up on a new network or you just want to delete all of the pairing history and everything like that, we can go ahead and do all that by just doing a factory default reset, restoring the out-of-the-box settings on it. It's really easy to do on this. All you need to do is with power to it, we're going to come in and we're going to find the mute button and the play button and hold them both simultaneously. And while we do that, we'll just watch the LED indicators. The orange ones will just kind of light up from left to right. And then the white ones will also light up from left to right. Once that happens, you can go ahead and release the buttons. Once you do that, it will reset and then it will turn off and turn back on again, and you can set it up again in the app and everything like that.